This video demonstrates the proper way to replace your thumb button assembly. The first step is to remove the old rivet pins with diagonal hand cutters. Caution: do not use power tools near your fuel can during replacement assembly. Note: may be necessary to cut away at the plastic portion of the thumb button to get to the rivets. Once the old rivet pins have been removed, take the new thumb button assembly and position it over the pivot hole. Now, insert the first number 10 machine screw through the thumb button spring and pivot hole of the can. Then insert the second number 10 machine screw through the thumb button and lift rod hole. You will now tighten the number 10 nuts onto the screws until the screw is flush with the nut.